In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests to an event and send invitations in Google Calendar. If you have ever found yourself needing to organize an event and ensure everyone is in the loop, you'll find this guide incredibly helpful. So let's dive straight into it. First, we need to open up Google Calendar. You can do this by searching for it in your preferred web browser. Once your Google Calendar homepage loads, the next step is to sign in with your Google account. Enter your email address and password, and if you're prompted to confirm your identity, follow the necessary steps. With access to your calendar, let's go ahead and create a new event. Locate the Create button, usually marked with a plus sign, which is generally found on the left side of the screen. Click it, and a new event window will pop up. Once you've clicked to start a new event, you will need to fill out some details. Begin by entering a title for your event in the Event Title field. Make it descriptive enough to ensure clarity, for instance, Project Meeting. Setting a clear title helps everyone understand the purpose of the event at a glance. Next, you'll want to set the date and time for your event. Be as precise as possible to minimize any confusion. Simply click on the date and time fields to select when the event should begin and end. Don't forget to double-check these times to avoid scheduling conflicts. After setting the date and time, it's time to add your guests. On the right side of the Event Details window, you'll see an Add Guests field. Click in this box and begin typing the email addresses of the people you intend to invite. You can add multiple email addresses one after the other, which is a great way to ensure everyone relevant to your meeting is included. As you complete these steps, Google Calendar might show a pop-up alerting you about permission levels for the guests. You will want to click Got It to proceed. This notification helps you understand that guests will receive emails and might have options beyond just attending, such as modifying event details or inviting more people. With all the details set, look towards the bottom of the window and click the Save button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you would like to send invitations to the guests you've added. It's important to choose Send here to ensure your guests receive their invitations via email. And there you have it. You've successfully created an event in Google Calendar, added your guests, and sent them invitations, all in just a few simple steps. This powerful tool helps you stay organized and make sure everyone is aware of and prepared for upcoming events. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting to make the most of Google Calendar. Thanks for joining me today, and happy scheduling.